In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a WhatsApp voice bot using Flow Builder. This feature is especially useful for businesses that want to automate customer communication. You can handle support queries, capture leads, answer frequently asked questions, and provide instant voice responses on WhatsApp without needing a human agent available all the time. It helps you respond faster, improve customer experience, and scale your operations effortlessly. Start by creating a new flow and adding a message trigger. Next, drag in the AI Assistant node. Then configure your AI provider. Here, you can also set up your system prompt to control how the AI behaves. Scroll down to the voice processing section and enable TTS and STT. For now, we'll use the default OpenAI provider, and we'll set up 11 labs later. I recommend setting the voice response mode to voice-to-voice only, so the bot replies with audio when a user sends a WhatsApp voice note. Now save your flow and activate it. Let's test the basic setup. I'll send a voice note on WhatsApp.
Hi, I'm doing well, thank you. How can I assist you today?
As you can hear, the bot replies using the standard OpenAI voice. It works well, but we can make it sound much more realistic. If you're not satisfied with OpenAI voices and want to upgrade the voice quality, go back to the Flow Builder. In the voice processing section, change the TTS provider from OpenAI to 11 Labs. You will need an API key. Go to the 11 Labs website, open your profile, click on the Developers menu, and select API keys. Create a new key, copy it, and head back to the Flow Builder. Paste your API key. Once it's verified, you can select your preferred model. I recommend Turbo V 2.5 for the fastest response times. You can also fine-tune the stability and similarity sliders to get the exact tone you want. 11 Labs also offers advanced features like audio tags and speaker boost for higher clarity. Once you're happy with the configuration, save your flow one last time. Now your clients will experience natural, lifelike voice responses powered by 11 Labs.